The fourth Agile principle builds on the concepts mentioned in the previous Agile principles. Getting the right feedback from stakeholders is the power behind managing projects in an Agile manner. The important stakeholders are those from the business, customer, or end user side. That is the crux of Agile principle number 4. It says, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Leveraging the perspectives, input, and feedback from the business side of the equation is what can separate a good project from a great project. Requesting frequent feedback from the representative of the business side may be taxing and not well received, but it is tremendously worthwhile. The best feedback, as you will see in a few minutes when we discuss Agile principle number 6, is a face-to-face conversation. Interacting with business representatives in a setting where facial expressions can be seen and tonal inflections heard are more substantial than potentially misinterpreted electronic communications like email or the short and occasionally disconnected chats or instant messages. You should also notice that the time element is emphasized. Daily interactions, not weekly or whenever I get to it, but daily. You might be thinking, yeah, right, you try to get my business people to meet with me every day. You might also be thinking, I don't think I want to meet with the business people every day. Trust me, when managing an Agile project, you want that daily interaction. It's part of the power of Agile project management. If you want to do it right, building the discipline of working together with the business every day is very important. Building the expectation and the cadence of everyday interactions is one way to ensure it happens. If you don't have a set standing time, you risk losing attendance. You diminish the importance if you regularly cancel or postpone the interaction times. Establishing and holding true to the time carved out every day is more likely to stick with all stakeholders than attempting to schedule ad hoc meetings or meetings at sporadic intervals throughout the day. To strengthen the discipline of follow-through and the readiness to interact, create the expectation of meeting for a short set time every day. Starting a daily recurring meeting and staying diligent to that time ensures it will be continued throughout the project. It's much harder to rein it back in once it's escaped your clutches. I've seen people drop off quickly and the daily interactions become almost non-existent once the pattern is broken and the daily interactions minimized.